So basically what factors actually affect the formation of soil is the parent rock material, okay, and this rock material is actually a determination of various things present in soil: the color, texture, chemical properties, even the mineral content, and the permeability of the soil, that is the quality of absorption. Then second, we were talking about how relief is a factor in formation of soil. Thirdly, the climatic condition. Fourthly, the plants and animal organism present in the soil, okay, and last, the time actually taken in the whole process of weathering and formation of soil. Now we will study about soil profile, okay. So in this diagram, soil profile basically means the various sections in the soil, that too vertically, okay. So vertically means in this order, and when I am talking about horizontally, it means in this order, okay. So a vertical section of soil from the nature of the parent rock is the soil profile. The process of soil formation given rise to well-marked horizontal layers in the soil profile. These horizontal layers are called soil horizons, okay. So it basically means that soil profile is this entire thing, okay, from the surface of the soil to the parent rock material. There is different bifurcation, or you can say there is different sectors of soil, right? So this way, when we go vertically, that is basically soil profile, okay. And now what are horizons? Horizons is this way. This is your particular layer. Now this is your whole particular layer. This is your particular layer. This and this. So the horizontal layers of soil, okay. This is horizontal layer of soil. This is another different horizontal. Rocks are there. These are another horizontal layers of soil. These differently are called horizons, while this entire part vertically from the surface to the parent rock is called soil profile, okay. The soil horizons are usually named as A, B, C and D, from the uppermost layer to the soil to the parent rock below, okay. So broadly speaking, we have 4 horizons in soil, okay, and it starts from the surface and goes down to the bedrock. So we have horizon A, then horizon B, horizon C and then horizon D. So these are broad categorization, and always remember that A will start from top, okay. Now let us understand the qualities of these different horizons.